would you agree with a future where we see more STEM or STEAM schools than, say, public schools?
Yeah, I actually got certified in STEAM. I believe in STEAM big time. I think I also believe in something that's called uh, project-based learning. And so the way that I teach is, especially when I was teaching science, we would do real world problems. Like it was real life. Like we're not doing hypothetical um things. I mean, with for an example was, for example, recently they had to create a sustainable city. They used Minecraft to create it. And they had to, we actually ended up joining this competition where you you have to create a sustainable city and talk about why is the building sustainable. Like you have to tackle a climate change problem, right? So we learned about climate change. Everybody chose the topic that they were interested in. I had a group, for example, that was interested in the fires, and so their town was like fireproof, and so they came up with solutions and you know ways that their town was going to be sustainable. Now we incorporated math because they had to come up with a budget. We also had to talk about dimensions for the buildings. Climate change, it's all about like, well, why are these fires happening? Like, why is this a problem? And like, what can we do in real time? And they had to do research. All of their explanations had to be backed up through research. And so, you know, now we're incorporating everything. And at my last school, we even used to do interdisciplinary projects where we were doing the same project in all the classes. It's just you were looking at it with a different lens because now we're in English class, so now we're going to write our proposal or, whatever it was. And I think that that's the best kind of learning. And that's what I'm here for. Like, that's what I want to see happening. Like, kids being interested, having some control, having choice. Like, nobody wants to just sit there and write and be told what to think and what to do. That's not how we create thinkers. But at the same time, as a teacher, I am limited. So in science, I'm not because there's no test for science. So I could do whatever I want. But until you get to eighth grade. But for math and English, you're limited.